Hey, what's up guys, Techtine here, and I am back again with another video. So in this video we will be unboxing the new to me, the Motorola Moto G Stylus. So let's go ahead and get straight to the video. Alright, so starting with the box itself, this phone in particular is by Metro, so I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. But yeah, I mean, Metro's boxes are not usually like this. They're usually just pretty plain. However, this one comes in this black, and the Motorola logo has this kind of shade of green and blue on it, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and stop talking about a box and just unbox the phone. And bam, here's the phone itself. Wow. Okay, so this has kind of a blue and black shade, and it is made out of plastic, but Motorola did what they could with the budget that they had for this phone. Okay, so, and I guess this phone has a lot going for it. So, nice design. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'll set it up, then we'll talk some more. Okay, so now that the phone is set up, we can talk about it. First off, right off impressions, this display looks nice. So you have this hole punch camera. On the back of the phone, you have your triple camera setup. You have your LED flash, the Motorola logo, as well as the tight print that this phone has a 48 megapixels. So they had to make it clear. And they also have it clear that this uses a 1.6 micrometer, what they call quad pixels, and you have 117 degree wide angle lens, as well as their macro vision, which shoots some really close shots. And right below the part of the camera setup is a laser autofocus, and you have again your LED flash as well as your fingerprint sensor. And the back actually looks really nice. I like it. This kind of blue and black shade looks cool, and I think it's easily one of my favorite looks of a budget smartphone back that I've seen in a while. So yeah, and this phone drives a full HD plus display, which means it's 1080p, unlike the LG K51, which I think a comparison is definitely something that needs to be happen. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to stay tuned for that. Okay, quickly, the camera itself, let's go ahead and open. And I will be doing a separate camera test soon too, so also subscribe for that. So the picture quality itself, right off this just fake plant picture, it's nice. I mean, I think it's a little bit undersaturated. The shadows are kind of lost, but that's just me looking at it from the phone. I think I just need to examine it a little bit more before I judge it. And yeah, that's really all I can say. The other thing that I want to cover is the Stylus, so which is supposedly what this phone is advertised for, the Stylus itself. So it looks pretty similar to the LG Stylus lineup, like the Stylus 5, the Stylus 4, and the coming Stylus 6. Okay, yeah, the Stylus is pretty similar to the LG Stylus lineup, and yeah, that's that. Okay, and as soon as you pop it up, you will be greeted with a black screen where you can just jot down notes if you're into that type of thing. Okay, the sides have your power button as well as your volume up and down, and it is located on the right hand side where the cameras are, and the cameras do protrude quite a bit, so it will rock when you place it on a table, but if you have a case on it, you shouldn't have a problem at all. Before I end this impressions, I want to talk about the specs of the phone itself. So starting with just day-to-day tasks, this phone opens up and closes apps pretty quickly, just as quick as the Galaxy A20, a little bit quicker I would say, and it does use a Snapdragon chip. And one of the cool features about this phone right off the box, which is something that I have not seen in a budget smartphone, is that it has 128 gigabyte storage right off the box, and comes with an octa-core processor, which I will be doing a speed test and do more testing as far as performance goes. And the battery on here is large enough. It's a 4000 milliamp hour battery, and it does support turbocharge, which is their way of fast charging. And yeah, so The audio is provided to you by Dolby too, so the speaker sounds pretty nice. Again, more testing needs to be done before I give a final judgment on this phone. As far as I'm concerned, so far I'm liking it. So before I end this video, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy it, you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I will catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.